Had there been a lot of instances where an online opportunity to earn money was not available in your area? We'd hate to admit it, but we're not so surprised if you've answered yes to that. But don't worry, because this channel cares for you. In this video, we are going to show you how to earn that passive income without any skills needed from any part of the world. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most hassle-free way possible. So make sure you stay tuned. Now, let's get on with the video. The website we're about to show you helps you earn money by uploading photos online. Yes, you heard that right. The easiest and most convenient way out there to earn money is right at the tip of your nose. You might be losing hope thinking, I don't have a quality camera to be able to do this. Don't worry. What we're about to teach you won't need a quality camera or any camera at all. Sit back and relax as we introduce you to the website that would help you earn that money. Shutterstock.com is a site where you can find hundreds upon thousands of royalty-free photos, which means you can use them as you want once you download them. If you're wondering why Shutterstock is a website that a lot of people would use, despite them having to pay a certain amount for these photos, well, it will be easier and cheaper to get the photos you need from Shutterstock than to hire a professional photographer with lights and equipment to do the job for you. Imagine the expenses paid for that one single photo needed. Upon visiting the website, you will see the slogan that reads, "One platform, millions of ways to tell your story." Below that is the search box where you can search any photo, and Shutterstock has it in store for you. As you scroll further into the website, you will see a lot of featured photos, different genres of photos you can look into, and basically everything the site has to offer. You can look around and get a feel of the website, but if you want to finally begin earning money, scroll to the bottom of the page and under Our Content, you will see an option that says Sell Your Content. You will be redirected to a page containing more information about the site. You can either click on Get Started to begin your registration, but if you want to know more about Shutterstock, you can scroll down to join our global community and click on See Global Earnings. From there, you will be able to see how much Shutterstock had been paying their contributors all over the world. As of 2018, the continent that received the biggest payout is Europe, amounting to a total of $105.3 million. Going back to registration, once you click Get Started on the Sell Your Content page, you will then be redirected to a registration form asking for your full name or your legal name, display name or the name you want your viewers to see, your email address, and your password. Once that is completed, click on the box that certifies that you are 18 years old and above. And you can now register your account to begin making money. What makes Shutterstock so appealing is that you will be able to earn money in a passive manner, similar to how you're paid to create. When someone downloads your photo, you are paid a fixed amount of money, and since what you post will be here permanently, this means that you can earn money as a passive income. All you have to do is upload the photos here and leave them alone, and your work is done. Because this site receives so much traffic, it's nearly assured that you will be paid a decent sum monthly on here. As you can see, you can also recommend individuals to the site to earn additional money. And this site is also wonderful to market as an affiliate. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated because we want to know how to help you better in the future. And now going back. We know you're probably wondering when we would get to the part that states how you will be able to upload photos without needing any camera. Well, without further ado, we introduce you to the website that gives you photos you can upload, royalty-free. We introduce you IDPLR.com. This is the site you will want to utilize. It's a place where you can locate not only photographs but also a variety of different things. And you can identify which ones are which by hovering over an option at the top right of the screen that reads Products. Since we are looking for photos that sell to upload on Shutterstock, you will want to click on with the Resell Rights, which is just under the graphics area. You would want to make sure you sell photos that won't be flagged for plagiarism. Selecting photos with resell rights means you have complete rights to resell these photographs, which means we may profit from them. What's great about this website is that the photographs are collected together in 2 packages, so you won't have to waste hours downloading them one by one. Simply download one of these packages, which contain hundreds of thousands of images, and they're now ready to upload. Choose a package of your choice, so without a doubt, feel free to use these photos to earn money from Shutterstock. Of course, there are a few things you won't be able to do with these photos from IDPLR, but that would be included on product terms, and they're nothing too major. Only things such as can modify or change the main product, or can modify or change the graphics and e-cover. Those won't affect your ability to sell these photos. Before downloading, read all of the information on the photographs. To download it, simply click right here, but you will need to make an account first. To do so, simply click on the red word Here and fill out the form. Once you've done that, you'll want to download all the packages available on the site and then go back to Shutterstock and upload all of the photographs you have just downloaded, which will enable you to make a lot more money in passive income because we're talking about endless amounts of photos. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. This is Money Empire. See you in the next one.